Why should you and I be bothered about a fine print on packaging norms? Is Section 2 of packaging norms important to you and I? Should we be worried? Well, yes. Section 2 of India's food packaging norms, following a similar pattern, has now been revoked. Earlier, edible oil packets came in standard sizes: 250 or 500 grams, 1, 2 or 5 liters. Now, as Section 2 of this food packaging norms has been removed, many companies are shifting to smaller or inconsistent pack sizes. For example, an edible oil company selling oil in 1 liter packs earlier needed to follow all specifications and guidelines under Section 2, including the quantity. That can now easily be turned into an 850 milliliter pack. Since these changes are being made extremely discreetly, a majority of customers will get tricked into buying less for more. The Indian Vegetable Oil Producers Association has called for bringing back the standard pack sizes for edible oils to ensure transparency and stabilize the market. This will also protect the consumers, they said. The association has brought this issue to the government's notice. But why was the clause removed? Well, it was aimed to offer more flexibility to the food and packaging industry, allowing producers to choose their own pack sizes. In this day and age, consumers are slapped with a plethora of brands and lookalike packages. But what happens is the quantity differs. It often leads to confusion and at times misleading value perception. Despite the presence of unit sale prices, small differences in net weight often go unnoticed, reducing the effectiveness of this safeguard in everyday decision making. Meanwhile, the centre has slashed import duty on crude sunflower, soybean and palm oils from 20% to 10%, which it hopes will ease the rising prices. India is heavily dependent on imports for its edible oil supplies. India is among the 3 top countries in edible oil consumption. China and the US also feature in the list of countries consuming the highest amount of edible oil. According to Worldometer statistics, China leads in total consumption while India is the second largest consumer and the largest importer. So next time when you're buying oil and when it says 1 liter pack, and if your pack feels a little too light, remember this: what you see isn't always what you get. When pack sizes shrink but prices don't, not only will it pinch your kitchen budget and your wallet, of course, the frequent trips to the grocery stores will also increase.